So let's start the first problem. Simplify the following. So we have to just simplify this and get the final answer. For this, you have to know the DMAS, that is division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay. So here we have 20 divided by 4 plus 5. So we have addition and division. So but as per DMAS, division will come first. So we will get the answer. 20 divided by 4 is 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So this is your answer. Now the second question. 28 minus 25. 28 minus 25 divided by 5. Okay, 28 minus 25 divided by 5. So if you see here we have one subtraction sign, one division, but as per this B is coming first, so we'll go for this. So we'll write it as 28 minus 25 divided by 5 is 5. So that's why your answer will be 28 minus 5 is 23. Okay. Let's see the third one. 21 minus 12. 21 minus 12 divided by 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, so here we have 3 operations. One is subtraction, the other one is division, and last one is multiplication. Okay, so we'll go as per this. First we'll do the division part. So here you get 21 minus 12 divided by 3 is 3 4s are 12, so you get 4 multiplied by 2. Now we have subtraction and multiplication, so we'll go for multiplication first as per this DMAS. So what we get is 21 minus 4 to the 8. Okay, now let's see 21 minus 8. What is 20 minus 8? 20 minus 8 is 12, therefore 21 minus 8 will be 13. Okay, let's go to the fourth one. The fourth one is 16 plus 8 divided by 4. 16 plus 8 divided by 4 minus 2 into 3. Minus 2 into 3. Okay, let's go for division first. So you will get 16 plus 8 divided by 4 is 2 minus 2 into 3. Okay, then we get 16 plus 2 minus 2 3s are 6. Okay, 2 3s are 6. Now let's do the addition. 16 plus 2 is 18 minus 2. Sorry, not 2. 18 minus this 6. So 18 minus 6 will give you 12. This is your final answer. Okay, let's go to the fifth one. 15 minus 2 into 5 plus 9. 15 minus 2 into 5 plus 9. So we will do the multiplication first. 15 minus 10 plus 9. Now here as per this we have to do addition. Okay, don't get confused here by adding 10 plus 9. Okay, you cannot add 10 plus 9. It is not 10. It is minus 10 plus 9. Okay, it is minus 10 plus 9. So you get 15 minus 10 plus 9. What we get? If there is one negative and one positive sign, we subtract. So we subtract 10 and 9. 10 and 9 will give you 1. Okay. And the sign of greater number in this two, minus 10 plus 9, 10 is greater. 10 is having negative sign. So this sign will come here. Therefore 15 minus 1 will give you 14. Okay. Let's go to the sixth one. 30 divided by 6 plus 8. 30 divided by 6 plus 8 multiply by 3 minus 10. So let's see. So first we can go division. 30 divided by 6 will give you 5 plus 8 into 3 minus 10. We go step by step. Okay. Then next we have 8 3s are 5 plus, now 8 3s is 8 3s are 24 minus 10. Then we go for addition. 5 plus 24 is 29 minus 10. 29 minus 10, and right here 29 minus 10 will give you 19. Okay, so this was the sixth one. Let's go to the seventh one. The seventh one is, it says 7 into 50 plus 16 divided by 8. 7 into 50 plus 16 divided by 8 minus 120. Okay, so let's do 7 into 15 and this is there. So first we go for division. So 7 into 50 plus 16 divided by 2 is 16 divided by 8 is 2 minus 120. Okay, 7 50s are 7 5s are 35. 350 plus 2 minus 120. So you get 352. 350 plus 2 is 352. 350 plus 2 is 352 minus 120. Okay, if you remove 120 from 350, you get 230. If you remove 120 from 350, 2 minus 0 is 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is your answer. Okay, so let's see the next one. We'll finish this exercise. Eighth one. Okay. Eighth one is 6 into 20 divided by 5. 6 into 20 divided by 5 plus 15 minus 15. Plus 15 minus 15. Now this you have to just ignore this 15 actually, but we'll solve it because plus 15 minus 15 has no value. It is just equal to 0. Okay. So I'll rub this part so that you don't get confused. Let's see. First we can go for division. So 6 into 20 divided by 5 is 4. 5 4s are 20 plus 15 minus 15. 6 4s are 24. Okay. Plus 15 minus 15. Now this just remove this plus 15 minus 15 first, or we'll go as per the rule. Let's go for addition. 24 plus 15 is 4 plus 5 9, 2 plus 1 3 minus 15. You get your back 24 as the answer. Okay, so this was the eighth one. Let's see the ninth one. Ninth one, I'll just take this. Ninth one, it is same. 49 minus 57. 49 minus 57 plus 8 divided by 4 multiply by 4. Plus 8 divided by 4 multiply by 4. Okay, let's do this one first. 8 divided by 4. So 49 minus 57 plus 8 divided by 4 is 2 multiply by 4. 2 multiply by 4. Then we'll do this. 49 minus 57 plus 2 4s are 8. Okay. Now let's do addition. But again, if you see here, this is negative 57 and plus 8. Okay. So if we have one negative and one positive, we subtract. Okay, we have to subtract. We have to minus the answer and then see the sign of greater number. So 57 minus 8 will give you, what is 57 minus 8? 57 minus 7 was 50. So 57 minus 8 will be 49. But sign of greater number, 57 is greater. So it will be minus 49. 49 minus 49 will give you finally 0. Okay, and the last 10th one, I'll do it here. The 10th one is 21. The 10th one, it is 21 divided by 7 plus 16 divided by 7 plus 16 minus 5 into 3. So first we'll do 21 divided by 7, you'll get 3 plus 16 minus 5 into 3. So you get multiplication here, 3 plus 16, 5 3s are minus 15. 3 plus 16 is 19 minus 15. So 19 minus 15 is 4. Okay. So these were the 10 problems from exercise 4G of your textbook together with mathematics for ICSE. If you have any doubt, you can ask. If you want my videos, please subscribe. Okay. Just press the bell icon and subscribe to channel.